Brand archetypes, your superpower being branding. I'm wondering if we're a podcaster, like to what level of importance should we be placing our brand through our podcast, in your opinion?
You should always be thinking about your brand, and your brand should permeate everything you do. So that's, one of the things we talk to people about first is, if you have a business, you have a brand, or you should have a brand. And if your podcast is part of your business or trying to elevate you in some way, selling something, providing a service, something like that, then it should always be on brand. We go so far as to say your brand is so important that it should have to do with how you answer your phone, what color you paint your conference room. Everything you do should be about brand, your company culture, everything. So your podcast should definitely be on brand. If it's not on brand, it's going to be all over the place and it's not going to have a consistent message, just like anything else that you would do in marketing.